Hi everyone! This is the Magic Brush Holder. A full-length video tutorial is included with this pattern, showing each step from start to finish. Protect your makeup brushes. No need to touch the brush head. Just hold the ferrule and slide it in. Then give the handle a little tug. Grab it by the handle to pull it out. There are two versions in the pattern, one that holds 3 large brushes and the other can hold 2 large brushes and 2 smaller brushes. It is made in clear vinyl for easy cleaning. The Magic Brush Holder fits perfectly in the Magic Cosmetic bag, which is another pattern you can get at sewnideas.com.